Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the obvious blockers: power, mute, and volume. Once done, make sure the correct output device is selected in your system settings. Wrong output is a common silent culprit. Next, inspect and receipt cables, analog, optical, HDMI, or USB, because a loose connector breaks the signal. Finally, play a known good source like a phone or a test tone file to confirm whether the problem is the source, the cable, or the speaker itself. Once initial checks pass, dive into settings. Confirm the selected audio device, sample rate, and channel mapping. Mismatches can silence output. Then update or reinstall drivers and firmware. Outdated or corrupt software often prevents audio. Make methodical tests, one device at a time, headphones, speakers, another source, so you isolate the failing component. Also try swapping cables and ports. A bad port or damaged cable can mimic hardware failure. If volume mixers or app-specific outputs exist, make sure each is routed correctly. You finish with power cycles and targeted replacements. Reboot your device, power cycle external audio gear, and if available, try an external DAC or USB audio interface. If onboard audio persists in failing, perform a factory reset of the device firmware or reinstall the OS audio stack to remove deep configuration errors. Once done, run a final test with multiple sources. Troubleshooting tip: if sound still fails, boot into safe mode or use another OS/device and swap cables. This quickly reveals whether it's hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.